This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've opened ClipChamp and loaded your timeline. Now make sure the edits are final. First, check that clips are trimmed, audio fades applied, and titles positioned correctly so you don't re-export later. Once done, set the aspect ratio and resolution. Pick 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for mobile, and confirm playback looks smooth at full preview. Make sure autosave is on so you won't lose recent changes, and then move straight to the export controls on the top right. Click Export to open the settings panel and choose resolution. Higher resolution means larger files, so balance quality versus size. Next, select quality and frame rate. Pick 30 or 60 FPS depending on motion, and adjust bitrate to control file size. Then pick the destination. Save locally, upload to cloud storage, or publish directly to a platform like YouTube. Once settings look right, start export. Progress appears in the status bar. If the upload stalls, pause and retry the connection. When export completes, save the file with a clear name and organized folder so you can find it later. Then play the exported file end-to-end to confirm audio levels, sync, and visual quality match your project. If you see glitches or mismatched audio, re-export with a lower bitrate or different codec. Clear ClipChamp cache and try again. As a quick fix, export smaller segments to identify the problematic clip. Then replace or re-encode only that portion before final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.